Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. I'm glad to have you. Today I am working on one of my guest bedrooms, and I'm really excited about doing this room because initially it was an office that I was in. It was like a temporary office. I really didn't decorate it for that. So I'm going to transform this room so it could be very nice. My mom is coming up for Thanksgiving and this will be her space. This particular room is very small. It's not like tiny, but it's small. So she really likes a day bed, and that's what I bought. And hopefully I can fit it in one of these walls. We'll see. So I have to put together the day bed, and that's going to be another video. But what I wanted to do is show you what I initially did in this space. I had to like clear everything out and show you 3 things that you could do. And I've already shared this before, but I will reiterate this. These are 3 things that you could do to enhance a room and you don't have to pay a lot of money. Let me go ahead and show you what I did so far, and I'll come back on and do another video and show you the progress that I have made. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. So one of the first thing that I'm going to do is change the light fixture. So this is a chandelier that I'm changing in this space, and it's really pretty. It came from IKEA, and I kind of hacked it and made it a little bit different than what the original picture of it or what it's supposed to be kind of designed as, but I kind of did it a little bit differently. So I'm going to change this out to kind of give it a different feel. So I'm not going to share how I changed out the light fixture. I do not want to be responsible for anybody hurting themselves. I am not an electrician, so I am not licensed to tell you exactly what to do. I just feel comfortable doing it because I've done it so many times. So I'll show you the end result of that, but I'm sorry, I just don't feel comfortable sharing the steps of that. I hope it looks good. Okay, so I am back. I am sweating and I now have the light fixture up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. It's simple, but it's modern and I really like it. It kind of goes with the curtain rod that I have that's black as well. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the light on. I really like it. It's pretty. Okay guys, so I wanted to share another thing that you could do in your space. If you just have carpet or hardwood and you don't have anything down, what really brings out the room is adding some type of color, and that is with a rug. So you can put down a rug that has multiple colors or has the colors that you would like to put in the room, and you can lay that down. What I want to do is make it very comfortable and cozy, kind of like the theme of my house. So I chose to do neutral colors. I have a dark gray, light gray, cream, and I think it's beige in here in this particular rug. I started out with a colorful rug. That was something that I had from my apartment, and I kind of like just kept it and used it in this house, but that's not really the color scheme that I'm going for in this particular bedroom, so I had to remove that, and this is what I laid down. This is what it looks like the next day, and I absolutely love the colors. This is seeing it in natural light, so I just put some detergent here to kind of lay it down. It still has some ripples, but I think it'll come out eventually. It's just gonna take a couple of days. So this is what it looks like. The next thing that I did was change out my drapes. I had, I believe it was 84. No, it's not 84 inches. It was 95 inches long. The drapes that I had previously, it was just something that I kind of like quickly put together to put in the room, just to kind of put something in the room, but not really planned kind of thing. I'm sure you're can relate. So I went with drapes this time that are 108 inch because I wanted to go all the way to the ceiling. And I live by this, guys. It makes a big difference just lifting up your drapes to the ceiling if you can. If you have crown molding, just lift it up right below the end of the crown molding. It looks really good. And you don't always have to have drapes, but I'm just saying this is just one of the options that you can have, and it makes a big difference. So these drapes are 50 inches wide by 108 inches high. And what I'm going to do is add another set to what I have, but I just ordered it and it'll take a little while, so I will have to show you that in a different video, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I just put up these drapes. I have not had a chance to steam them, so please excuse the wrinkles. And this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to step out of the room. The room is so small that I cannot actually show you like a full picture, which is kind of like most of the videos that I have. Can't really see the entire thing, but this is what it looks like, and I like it. My plan is to double the drapes up because I don't want all of the white space, and I really don't know exactly what I'm going to put on the sides. This tree is not going to be here because this day bed is pretty long. It is 93 inches long, so yeah, or 93 inches wide. So I'm gonna go ahead and start bringing that up and putting it together. So this is what I wanted to show you. Just changing the light fixture, the drapes, making it higher, or changing the color out, and changing your rug really does make a big difference. And I just wanted to show you guys this. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you want to follow along with what I'm doing in my space, just keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe, and even if you put the notifications, you may not be notified if I have a video. So guys, just check back on my channel every so often and see when I upload. It's unfortunate that YouTube doesn't have a good way of notifying you. If you don't look at my videos, you will not see the new videos that are posted, unfortunately. So guys, keep watching my stuff. Keep watching my videos. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below and let me know how you guys love these videos. All right, until next time, stay safe. Bye.
Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.